tusaidie hiyo. Waongea tu jina. Tuongea tu jina tafadhali.
Okay, I'm Damaris Nyanchoka, Special Elect Kisii County. I'm Brenda Mora, nominated MCA Kisii County.
I'm Peter Utachi, MCA Munyero Ward, Chair Budget and Appropriation Committee.
Steve Arika, MCA Ibeno Ward.
Richmond Manani, Chairman Sports and the Youth. Okay, I've been given the permission to just say one word. To me, the Shabana team, the sponsors are actually ready to fund more money than this. So kindly, let's team up, as we were told by Honorable Kibagendi. Let's just assume the differences which are out there. We must work and we must deliver the trophy this time to Kisii. No turning back, kindly. We are ready as the assembly, as the county government of Kisii through our governor who is double.
Bana nigotolebobe na ndio ikatoka moto. Thank you.
Kwa kuwatai mapema mbia babwe mapema. Asante. Your Excellency, if you allow me to inform this Honorable House now that we lost a colleague, my counterpart from Nyamira County, not the senator is here. Your Excellency, if you allow me, we have 1 minute of silence for the passing of our leader of majority, Nyamira County. Thank you. Yangu ni machache. The CEO, Bangbet, a good friend through the governor, wachezaji, na kila mtu ambaye yuko hapa. Ningependa tuombee hii timu ya Shabana mazuri. We wish you well. Mchukue hii league, then we move to the next level. Sijui mtaenda Manchester, wengine waende Arsenal ndio timu yangu, wengine waende kila mahali. Na ningependa kuambia wanasiasa wetu sisi wote, nikiwa mmoja wao, tukifika katika hii timu, wacha tukubali kuwa patron ni mmoja, atuguide. Wawe ni wale wengine wote, ile timu ya Kinosoro, wajue patron ni mmoja, wakuje tuketi chini, tupeleke timu yetu ya Shabana mbele. Timu itulete, siasa tuwache kando, to make sure Shabana moves to the next level. And as a county assembly, through the governor, kama mnahitaji support yetu, mkimwambia sisi, akituambia 2 minutes, tumewapatia ile kitu mnahitaji. Asante, Mungu awabariki na tunawaombea mema.
So that we correct the mishap in protocol, I invite the CC sports for Kisii County, the Honorable Eric Miyenda. Before he speaks, he's the one who was to come and invite me. I don't invite the CC, so he must have erred in protocol, and then now let him say a word as the CC in charge of sports. Makofi kwake.
Thank you, Your Excellencies. We want to apologize first for that mishap. We had organized, but we lost at some point. I want to take this opportunity to also welcome everyone here. And just to make one announcement regarding the renovations at Kisii Stadium and report that the contractor has confirmed that in 1 month from tomorrow, he shall have planted grass in that stadium. The machines will be on site tomorrow. We are working round the clock to ensure that that stadium is ready for Shabana to be playing their games at home. Thank you.
Okay, now the Senator Nyamira County, the Honorable Okongo Mogeni. Makofi tena kwa Senator.
Haya, Shabana oye. Shabana oye. Ai, ukiwa na hiyo sauti mtaleta kikombe. Shabana oye. Hiyo ni safi sasa. Your Excellency, Governor, members of Parliament who are present, Kiwagendi, Mheshimiwa Wabumachoge Boravu, and our nominated Member of Parliament, Deputy Governor. Me first, I'm impressed by the Governor because I think last month you invited us for dinner at Kempiski, and you made a promise that before the new season commences, you will come with sponsors for our team, Shabana. Na leo nimeona Governor ni wakusema na kutenda, because I believe today we are here now to witness the signing. So mimi nataka nikupe kongole na hongera kwa kazi nzuri ambao umefanya. Tumekuwa wafuasi wa Shabana na tumejua kwamba for the last almost 15 years plus it has been a struggle. Na vile umeingia ndani na unajaribu kusaidia klabu yetu, tunashukuru. Na kwa mashabiki wa Shabana, vile Mheshimiwa Rene amesema na Mheshimiwa I think Kibagendi, hii klabu ya Shabana ni klabu ya Omogusi. Mimi natoka Nyamira. I know the base is in Kisii, but I don't care. All I'm proud of is that a club that is associated with Omogusi is in the Premier League, and we want to rally behind the club mpaka tulete kikombe huko nyumbani. Au namna gani? Na naomba ukifikia rafiki yetu ambaye pia tumejaribu kuzungumzia Governor wa Nyamira. Hatutaki mvua ikinyesha mingi pale Kisii, tunasikia Shabana unaenda kule Migori. Mukwane leo mwako lio mwangui akole stadium ya Manganere. Kero Kisii ketali buya tuwa kero mpira alia Manga. Sikuna mashabiki wa Shabana kutoka Nyamira. Simuko. Hatuwezi ngoja. Sasa wewe unatuambia unamaliza stadium nyasi unapanda within 1 month. Sisi tumengoja for the last 12 years kumaliza stadium kule Manga. So ukimwona hiyo Governor mwambie ajaribu amalize hiyo stadium. Ndio pia Kisii na Nyamira tuko na stadium. 2, and maybe ngo aniseke usi. You know, even though a community of Mogusi, especially in Torabarai, to one of the Kuebolia Maswati. Onye a team ya Shabana, ya children, Simba, Arati, une patron. Wanjira konye a team. Oh, Abobo Bembaro? Was on your Bembaro, Mota, Bembaro. When I go Sava, Abarai wanted to what Moshimiwa Macho. Mheshimiwa naro kurukwa Nyamwaya Sam, Mheshimiwa kurukwa Soro. Tiato tige ebitine bike bikora to bosoko ese community Omogusi. Tiato rali a community nde jirato sike to iso kworo kia obuamu. Onye Simba to amobekire motue nganero kobe a patron ye club ya Shabana. Tikatwa ispito chamo tukwane lugha yamo tomobwatesi eklabu kikine wasabana kai. That is the only way tora orokina a community Omogusi na banda bangaini tori musani no kurukwe samu nyamwe tadras mora ay klabu kobe patron tadi lazima wono ni nje Simba didi sini akanso ongo jango tenganda kobe patron. I will queue behind you tora na kito kere club mot ase igo tigana barabu Vaire Evintongara, Wakubwatesie, we rally behind you, Tote Mengankore, Totore Combe, Kisi, tugitiri Nyamira twende baka Kisi Stadium gekombe ya Shabana. So me, I want to give you my full commitment that tutakuwa pamoja. We support our club and our sponsors. Bangbet, you have put your money in the right club. We will call you at the end of the season. You come when we receive the trophy, having won the Premier League. So put faith in us, and we assure you that we will not disappoint you. So mimi sina mengi, Bwana Deputy Governor, you are my father-in-law. Protocol vekora mix, lakini wana leo tuache sama na sports protocol tewa magana mange. So tukae pamoja, tushirikiane wote kwa minajili ya kuinua klabu yetu ya Shabana. Asanteni sana.
Senator, asante sana. I want to encourage abantu baitu. Muraoro kio mogoko ntagitengoreta gavana marorekane na mogoko wana muisa ko baba kendete iga ngai mugoja kogokera muri ko era mukendete kembe bari bona mwirire karona chiete kanisa ya moya Catholic ya alibirongo no mwana siasa abari kontere rine kinyore tari monda kangantuacha na kiyo kwante de mwira neri kangantuacha tene na wano ngore tande gavana tinde kotera wetani atambe kangantuacha nyore tali Simba kangantuacha nyore tali Simba kangantuacha nyore tali Shabana kangantuacha nyore tali Shabana kangantuya okay. Okay. Nyore tari Simba kangantuacha nyore tari Simba kangantuacha ebu nyore tari Simba kangantuacha nyore tari Simba kangantuacha nyore tari Shabana nyore tari Shabana ebu mukae. Let's get seated. Now, Father Protocol Mix, I again apologize. I'll bring in the chair of Shabana Football Club, who will then make his speech, and we move on. Makofi kwa chairman.
Amjambo, Your Excellency, our Governor Simba Arati, all protocols of service, ladies and gentlemen, Amjambo. I'm so sorry about the mix-up kidogo with the protocol. I think that was done because our SG came a bit late and he was in a hurry, but I think that is now corrected. So I will be very brief because I think we've had various meetings like this with our governor and our sponsors. First of all, I want to express my gratitude to Bangbet, Chairman Mr. Lee. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for accepting and trusting in Shabana. I was looking forward to seeing Madam CEO, Faustine, Madam CEO. I'm not seeing her here today. I think she's been a very tough negotiator, but we've had several meetings, and we are where we are today. Shabana has come from very far. These boys you saw here, I think they were not introduced. They're the reason why we're here today. I also want to thank the management of Shabana for dedicating themselves for the time that we have fought this journey for the last 17 years. and personally for the last 13 years as a chairman. It has not been easy, but we are here. Viongozi wetu wameongea na tumesikiza. And there is something I just want to speak kwa viongozi wetu tu bila kuongea kizungu kwa our sponsors. My brother Tony umeongea vizuri, Senator umeongea vizuri, na Kerari umeongea vizuri. Kindly, kama tunaweza tutoe siasa kwa mambo ya Shabana. Shabana imetoka mbali bila siasa, na tunataka iendelee hivyo bila siasa. Hii kitu watu wanashinda wakingangania inaitwa patron. Patron maana yake ni nini? People need to understand what a patron is to a club. A patron is supposed to be a resourceful person that will steer the club going forward. So we would no longer politicize mambo inaitwa patronage of Shabana. Our governor came, he gave us a stadium for free. He has stood with us, he has supported the club, he has gone further and brought a sponsor to Shabana. What else do we need? What else do we need to call him a patron? So if there is any person out there who wants to be a patron of Shabana, you're welcome. Just come and top up. Come and top up where we are, and we shall consider you. But for now, as the chairman, and I will speak this with the authority from my management, from the funds, and from all the members of Shabana. We only have one patron, and I think let's put that to rest. We will no longer discuss about the issue of who's the patron of Shabana. Mr. Lee, Chairman, Bangbet, as I said, I want to thank you very much. We've sat several times together, and thanks for accepting us. And as Shabana, as a family of Shabana, from the players and the members and our leaders, we promise you that we will deliver. We shall deliver, even if we don't deliver the trophy in the first year, but we shall. And I know that the team we have, in this first half, you will see, and we want you to attend as many matches as you can. And you realize that we are not just called glamour boys. We have been there, and we shall be there, and we shall deliver. I'm not even a footballer myself, just like my governor also. We have spoken, he's also not a footballer. I found myself here by mistake. But that mistake has led to a trophy that we have been waiting for the last 17 years. So I think I also deserve a club, Takamani Kidogo. Yeah, asante sana. For the club, I don't know if our coach is here today. If the coach is not here, I want just to assure the members that we have done good signings, and we have kept the good part of the previous team that we had, and we've had a few signings to strengthen the team. And I'm 100% that on the 27th at the Naruku Stadium, we shall deliver the 3 points that Mheshimiwa said that we deliver kama Arsenal. Yeah, and I'm sure we'll deliver, because at least God is with us. Tulipewa mmoja wetu yule tunajua kutandika. Tukipanda huko juu tutaona wengine. So I don't know who else I should recognize, because there is a lot of people that have made this possible for us. From, I would say 2018, our former president alitusaidia sana akatupea basi, and that has helped us so much in mambo ya transport. 2018, our former deputy governor, Honorable Mangi, organized for a very good fundraising that also helped the supporters for the 2 years, 2018, 2019. We also want to thank him. We also want to thank President. Yeah, that's President Ruto is the one who was at that function and is the one who raised the money for us. Even Honorable Simba Arati was there. And we also want to thank you leaders for your support. And then going forward with our new sponsors, as I stand here today, I think we have a lot to do, and we have a lot of discussions that maybe I might just brief the audience. We've signed. Today is just basically making it official, but we've agreed, and we have agreed on the terms of signing our contract for the 20 million for the season 2023-2024. And I want to thank our governor because he spearheaded that himself. Na tumemsumbua sana na masimu. Every time we could not agree, we will call him because we wanted Madam First Lady to help us translate. And from the translations, we are where we are. 2, on top of the 20 million, they are also going to give us kits for the playing unit, which will be 3 sets for each player, up to 35 players. They will also give us the tracksuits, now official tracksuits for Shabana, and they're also going to give us very expensive playing balls. I don't remember the name, but I think one of them was costing 30,000. So yeah, one ball. So if they, so they said if they give us only 8, we are good for the season. And lastly, they are also going to kit the team, you know, like the sneakers. These are kutembea. Anytime they are going for events that are not in the field, they'll be given 2 pairs of sneakers each. And that is on top of the playing boots. That's on, you know, besides the boots. So honestly, they deserve an honor. We deserve to say thank you, and we want this partnership to continue. And I'm sure, one of Mheshimiwa said there is more money to be given. Shabana actually needs more than the money we are getting. But this is a start. Let us show that we can deliver. If we can deliver in this first season, I'm sure that if we ask for 100 million, it shall be given. Kweli ama uongo? And Bwana Governor, lastly, I want to say na waziri ameongea, we really need that stadium yesterday because we have a very big fan base and we want to make our community proud. Because Sisi, when we're in Kisii, we don't talk about Nyamira, we don't talk about Kisii, we talk about Kisii. Gusii. So we want to see ile umati tulikuwa tumeanza kuona, we want to see them in the stadium. And if we get such people coming to the stadium, last March, Bwana Governor, you were not there, we had more than 70,000. We only opened for 35,000 to the stadium, and 40,000 were waiting outside. So, hata kama tumepata hii stadium mahali tumefika, we need to expand it so that it can accommodate at least 30,000 seated. And I think there is room for that expansion because stadiums like Narok, they are much smaller than we are, and their capacity is 20,000. So if we can do that, Bwana Governor, we shall appreciate, and we want to thank you for your support. Now, ujue that from the management of Shabana, we're behind you, and we want to give you full support. And any leader who wants to come, we are very open to support everybody. We are not going to divide anybody, and that is why I spoke with my brother Tony, and I said, leo, tusiongee siasa. Na nataka tukiendelea kwa stadium going forward, wanasiasa kujeni tu, wacha tuangalie mpira, tujifurahishe kama fans wa Shabana. Lakini ile mambo ingine ya kutukanana hiyo tutaacha. And we'll ask whoever is doing that to stop that. Because najua our governor is a peace-loving leader na anataka tuendelee hivyo tukiwa pamoja. Thank you very much and God bless you as I take this opportunity to invite the chairman of Bangbet to have a word with the audience. Welcome, Chairman.
Your Excellency the Governor, honorable members, esteemed representatives of the fourth state, ladies and gentlemen, Shabana FC, fans, everyone, good afternoon. As the CEO of Bangbet, Kenya, today marks a significant milestone. With immense pride, I announce our collaboration with Shabana FC Football Club. Our purpose is straightforward, to nurture local talent and foster community growth. In our pursuit of the perfect alliance, Shabana Football Club emerged as a beacon perfectly echoing our aspirations. It's undeniable Shabana has been absent from the Premier League stage longer than they deserve. At Bangbet, we firmly believe in the echoes, nothing is impossible. And I envision a future not too distant where a team from outside Nairobi rises to claim the Kenya Premier League. And I'm confident and convinced Shabana Football Club is that team. In this rapidly evolving sports landscape, our commitment is unwavering to propel community growth, to champion the dreams of our youth, and to carve pathways for talent to shine. Shabana Football Club's zeal for collaboration assures me that together we will pioneer unprecedented feats in the sports industry. Today we don't just unveil a jersey. We unfurl a symbol of unity, commitment and ambition. The Shabana Bangbet jersey promises not just a new look, but a renewed spirit for this journey ahead. Sote ni washindi, tore bobe. Thank you very much, everyone.
I will now request everybody to stand as we invite His Excellency the Governor to address
Okay. Thank you. Good evening. Shabana hoye. Shabana hoye. Hapa siwasikie mzuri. Shabana hoye. Yeah, hivyo. Hapa katikati Shabana hoye. Hapana, hapa mko wengi ama ni kamera ziko nyingi? Shabana hoye. Deputy Governor, the Senator Nyamira, members of Parliament present, honorable MCAs, CC Sport Kisi, management of Bangbet company, stakeholders in the sports sector, distinguished guests, our heroes Shabana FC, ladies and gentlemen. Shabana hoye. Nataka nisikie, unajua hapa ni, hebu nisikie mzuri. Shabana hoye. Hebu ambia huyu muungwana umeshangaa. Shabana hoye. Thank you. I'm happy to officiate this function where we are unveiling the partnership between Shabana FC and Bangbet betting company. Importantly, the partnership culminates in sponsorship for Shabana FC on joining the Kenya Premier League, KPL, after topping the chance in the NSL Championship in the 2022-2023 season, and I once again thank the team for their achievement. The challenge for the team now is to maintain presence in KPL, and this calls for sustainable sponsorship throughout the 2023-2024 season and beyond. I've watched the Shabana boys play on several occasions, and I can authoritatively say that the team has potential of lifting the KPL trophy. Hence need for continued support for stakeholders, while recognizing the role played by the fans in supporting the club last season. I'm happy that more fans are being registered online and through other platforms to help enhance the fan base for Shabana FC, locally and internationally, so as to boost avenues for support going forward. And as I earlier promised, the sponsorship of 20 million shillings for Shabana has now been actualized. It's my appeal. It is my appeal for more sponsors and funds to come in and support the team to succeed in the important task ahead, including for those ones who want leadership. I'm a governor, I'm certified in my leadership and in my position. Anybody who wants to come in, as long as you don't take us back, we'll support you. For the team to be on the top there. Our team has been sleeping for 17 good years. Is the moment now we must not look back as something might be gaining on us. Nothing will stop us. We'll make it as a community and for the club as a whole. In this regard, I wish to thank the management of Shabana for remaining steadfast and true to the course, to ensure that the team is focused on the ball and not on the confusion caused by the busybodies who aren't concerned with the welfare of the team, but their own selfish end. Imperatively, the team requires more support, and the doors are open, and any willing person or institution is welcome to offer support unconditionally. On my part as a patron, I'm working to ensure that the home Gusii Stadium is back in shape to host the matches. Due to the challenges witnessed in the stadium during the NSL League or matches, such as difficulties in crowd control and flooding of the pitch, my administration has embarked on further renovation of the stadium to improve the conditions and meet the standards. As you are aware, it is through my intervention that the county government of Kisii let Shabana use the Gusii Stadium as its home ground for free after years of being locked out. I promise, and I want to say that I promise to continue making the stadium available and at your disposal for KPL games. You know, when I was seated there, I saw from the big boss of Bangbet was showing me, if you check on Twitter, Bangbet and the Shabana, you are number 2 trending in the world. After Liverpool. You know, as chairman put it, and again, I'm sorry for the Arsenal, Manchester. Myself, I told you, I gave you my story about why I support Chelsea. It's because of the founder. I'm a Chelsea fan, but if you ask me even one player, I don't know. Therefore, what I want to say is that, my brothers and sisters, I want to thank one, Mohamed Nyaoga. He called me one evening. He told me to reach out to the CEO of Bangbet. I wonder, how comes you didn't invite Nyaoga to come here? But he did ask me to get hold of him. Then, through my wife again, the connection, good ones, we got a hold of this gentleman. Now that they are going to support our team. We are ready. For the boys, we will support you. Gusii, Nyamira, and the Kisii is one. And these games, they have made us more united community. I want to agree with my brother chairman that our business is not to abuse anybody, any leader. And we want to welcome all leaders to come on board. We build this club. Allow me, at this juncture, again, I don't know if it's the mix-up of protocol. There is exchange of documents we are going to have. Signing already has been done. I'm sure you have received the first purge of the release of the money into the club. And they did promise, if you make it through the KPL or the Premier as the champions, you receive 10 million Kenya shillings on top of the 20. I'm saying this awaiting to know what we are doing. But allow me, all right, allow me to lay apology from two members of parliament, Mheshimiwa Onchoke Obonchari and Mheshimiwa Obiri or Bobasi. The other team, the other leaders, I hope soon they will be joining with us to make sure their team moves forward. Allow me to speak this one here to see. As the Senate of Nyamira has pointed out. Enda maete entongera kama tokura kana. Ga kionye tuasome. Tuarule primary. Tuachire secondary. Abande baachire colleges. Tertiary institutions. Mpaka tuikire kerobono tubwate ekyombe ky'omupira ky'abaana baitu ba Gusii. Emepira umuchesa chokonyoro yomo obwete none president umushahara ka kintu nyare wanjirana ebitina nenda mwensi ni neto rani mai especially bali mumenyete Nairobi mumorocha abantu ngakira umuntu abwata mahali ayangani chinyomba ondo bwate ndamwa nje nindeta ya ondo bwate ndamwa achi chali gireri kiasis ke gwateka nko mu mushahara ne myaka 5 mengi and the serious abantu aminto nto konyara koligireri maega chinga kichinkoro chetire chinga kichi abasaya bake muri orro tigato tunyale kora ekyombe geto kyomugusi lero nindutoro on stage lazima tuchiese mpaka tonyole gutwa abantu baminto ndatentikirega mbasabe mwensi tobwaterane korunyamira mpaka Kisimati etimu yetu ya Shabana kitimu nechi nyinge chire ntogende tebono iga talanta search talanta is called Talanta Hela, which the president unveiled at State House. We are on the progress. Wiki hii mtaenda Migori, si ndio? Kwenda kuanza huko. Ondo bwate chibesa leta. Trosie team tutika nebi ntebinde. Intuchinga kicheito enda mwamweli yarenteke mo gusimai nto konyanjirana onde nanja na tanja. We will not. With those many remarks, taete mbatakire marawengia. Taete nsabe. There was again a mix-up. Dinner. All of you are invited for dinner at Sarova. New Standard Sarova. Ndagera noere. And you must have been invited. You must be serious. We are a serious team. Iko mwensi ipi ndagiranero at Stanel Hotel Tragire Togoke, a team yetu, the boys, be ready, we'll support you. Najua mliuliza basi, ngoja tu itakuja. Kama mechi moja tunakaa hivi, next time tunahakisha kwamba tunakubaliana, nione ni ngapi natoa, mtoe kidogo, tuhakisha kuna basi nyingine mpya mzuri ama vipi? Lakini sasa kusema ni saizi. Kwa hivyo lakini itakuja tu. Ni sawa sawa. Chama na Disemba hapana, Disemba karibuni bwana. Kwa hivyo nataka niachie hapo, niwatakie kila leo waheshimiwa, nataka niwashukuru sana. Mheshimiwa Kibagendi, umekuwa steadfast, Mheshimiwa Barongo, Mheshimiwa Rene, unadhania hii ndio nyumba yako, unakula na yeye ndiye anapika. Asante. Senator, asante sana. Leta wengine, wale wengine tujenge club. Unajua mimi nimezoea chama. Na unajua nimesimama katika kala zingine, lakini sitaki kusema. Nimeambiwa kwamba ni za Bangbet. Mimi si wa kala hizo, lakini sasa lazima imenibidi, lazima nisimame karibu na hizo. Ni kala tu, lakini maadili na kila kitu mimi na subscribe wengine. Kwa hivyo na sisi ndio hao, lazima tusimame na inakuanga mzuri namna hiyo. Na tumeelezana hii ni nchi yetu na tutatembea pamoja. Asanteni na Mungu awabariki.
Asante sana, wapi makofi kwa Governor Shabana Shabana Hey, mbona mmelala sana jamaa? Kuna chakula baada hapa, inakuwaje? Shabana Shabana Tore nini? Asante sana. Zuri nakubalika. Hey! Karibu sana Bangbet. Karibu sana Bangbet. Shabana ni wale tu, Torebobe mpaka mwisho. Ili twende bana. Twende. Wapi ile wine bwana? Iko wapi ile wine? Wine iko wapi ile wine? Una keki? Wapi ile wine? Wapi ile wine? Twende kazi. Fungua hiyo kitu. Mheshimiwa, do me the honor. Shabana, Itu Shabana. Twende. Itu Shabana. Twende kazi. Torebobe. Singumu. Torebobe. Hapa ndo tunajua wale huwa wanaenda club na wale wachache. Unakumbusha sasa. Wewe. Asante sana, Senator. Kazi yepi. Natuta. Omwando magare nandata. Itu Shabana. Sinunjiri. Tigisha kitu, tigisha. Hey. Shake it well. Hey. Awa. Asante sana. Itu Shabana. Hey. Asante sana. Naomba niletee keki hapa hivi tuikate haraka haraka. Naomba keki iletee hapa juu ya meza tafadhali, tuikate haraka haraka.
Nitu Shabana. Boy. Tore boy. Tore boy. Tore keki keki. Tore boy. Tore boy. Wewe. Konenyu manyete nakobeka chibori erone narete timu endete yoto kwebereri eto gwaka makora yarambereri Shabana ne timu etangaine nagosindana na intore ngaine togo itaji timu homa ndawe nege kombe totaiteno atawe bosi toroche na intuto tese big up coach players ibaita asanteni sana ikase kabisa ndo wachete sana big up, musapoti kabisa mo give up Shabana ya itege nderere mwanya getinge to genderere Nitu Shabana Nitu Shabana Nitu Shabana Nitu Shabana Tore bobe Tore bobe Tore bobe Tore bobe Tore bobe ah Tore bobe Tore bobe wewe asante sana Shabana wate pito gechi Shabana Shabana wate zaila zishi hemi chia
kidogo wapiga picha una live stream pale lakini hatuwezi kuiona, sogea nyuma kidogo.
Wewe cheers na yangu Nitu Shabana
ate itu
Nitu Shabana wewe
patron and CEO tafadhali.
wewe
wapi nduru wewe, wapi nduru wewe, wapi kelele ya Bangbet na Shabana. Asante sana. Hiyo ni keki sio ugali, hiyo ni keki sio ugali, ni keki sio, hiyo ni keki sio, hiyo ni keki sio ugali. Kata keki tukule sasa, kata keki tukule sasa, tule kata keki, tule kata keki tukule sasa. Wapi kelele? DJ achia.
Wapi bana?
DJ wangu kwa wapi DJ wewe?
Wapatron anampatia keki sasa. Chairman Bangbet picha. Wapiga picha jamani. Msikose hiyo. Isikose tafadhali kwenye mitandao. Hii ni
wewe.
Hii ni kali DJ bana.
Ndio hiyo gavana anamlisha president wa Shabana.
Wapi nduru?
Wapi makofi?
Hey! Asante sana.
Okay. Haya SG
ewe Shabana kitu Shabana.